I show you standing wave in two other cable TV, cable Wi-Fi on GSM, connect together. One end connect here. This probe to my oscilloscope. This one channel blue is input from signal generator, and second probe is connect here. It's loop together wire like here. Okay, is this output yellow? Okay, this one impulse, because sine waves generate burst mode. One impulse, pulse, sine wave, 10 volt peak to peak, frequency, okay, and delay period is never mind. Okay, see, this is output yellow. Is minimum oscillate. When I change to 0, like here, this is resistance is null. When I move up resistance, see what's happened. 5 volts, okay, go up, yellow is output, okay, move to end, it's full resistive to K ohms, go back to down, okay, I set minimum, okay, I replace to change to normal sine wave. Let's see what's happened. Okay, this is normal standing wave, and change up. See? Okay, this is best frequency